In this video, we will solve a problem on price elasticity that was asked by a brother on WhatsApp. The question is like this. A car dealer wants to get rid of the stock of last year's model. Assume that the dealer knows from the past experience that price elasticity of demand for car is unitary, that is 1. If the price of car is currently $20,000 and the dealer wants to increase the quantity demanded from 30 units to 50 units, okay, what must be the new price if the dealer is to sell the 20 additional cars? Okay, so what we are being given here, first thing is we are being told that price elasticity of demand is 1, that is elasticity of demand, okay, price elasticity of demand is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the first thing which is being given to us by unitary elastic demand. What we mean, we simply mean if, let us say, price decrease by 1%, okay, which will lead to the quantity increase by 1%. Okay, so there is one to one negative relationship between price and quantity demanded, and its reciprocal is also true. That means if price increases by 1%, quantity demanded will decrease by 1%. Okay, also we are being told that the currently the price of the car is $20,000. That means price P1, let us denote it by P1, is being given us as $20,000. Okay, and also we are being told that the car dealer wants to sell 20 additional cars. Okay, that means initially he was selling, let us write it like this, uh, initially the quantity demanded was 30 units. Now the dealer wants to have a quantity demanded of 50 units. Okay, we are being told what must be the new price so that he can sell 20 additional cars. Okay, so there are different ways to solve this. Let us try to figure out some logic here. So as I told you, since the price elasticity of demand is unitary, it means a decrease in 1% in price will lead to quantity increase by 1%. Okay, now if this is the case, okay, so we want our quantity, initially our quantity was uh, you know 30, we want to increase it to 50. Okay, so if, let me write it here. Now what is the percentage increase in the quantity demanded? So percentage increase in quantity demanded is equal to, so what is the percent increase from 30 to 50? So we have the difference between these two is 50 minus 30 is 20 divided by 30, which comes out to be 66.6%. Okay, so quantity percentage quantity increase in cars is equal to 66.6%. Okay, since elasticity of demand is 1, that means our price should, that will lead to, price decrease by 66.6%. Okay, again I repeat, since the price elasticity of demand is 1, that means 1% decrease in price will lead to 1% increase in quantity demanded. So that means if we want to increase the demand, quantity demanded by 66%, okay, 66.6%, then our price should decrease by 66.6%. Okay, so by the law of the demand. Okay, now the initial price was $20,000. Okay, now what should be the price then? Okay, so this is our initial price, so this should decrease by 66%. Okay, so new price will be equal to that is 66.6% of the initial price of $20,000. Okay, which will come out to be that is 66.6 upon 10 into $20,000. Okay, it will come out to be something 66,666. I am not sure about the calculation, so it will come out to be this very thing. Okay, so price, the new price that he should set should be equal to $6,666 if he want to sell 20 additional cars. Okay, simple thing. Quantity demanded has increased by 66.6 percent. That means price should decrease by 66.6% because there is one-to-one negative relationship between price and quantity here, because our price elasticity of demand is unitary. Okay, so this is one way you can solve this question. Another way is if we use directly the price elasticity of demand formula here. Okay, so the next method is very simple. So our elasticity of price elasticity of demand is 1. Okay, now percent no, sorry, change in quantity is equal to, so change in quantity is 50 minus 30, that means 20. Okay, and our price is given by $20,000. Okay, now if price elasticity of demand is 1, that means 1% increase in price will lead to 1% decrease in quantity demanded, and vice versa here. Okay, so what is price elasticity of demand? Simply change in quantity upon change in price into you know initial quantity. So initial quantity is being given us here 30 units. Okay, let me write it here. So Q1 is being given as 30 and Q2 is being given as 50. Okay, so this is our initial quantity. So price elasticity of demand is simply change in quantity into change in price into initial price upon initial quantity. Okay, it should be equal to 1. Okay, so this is elasticity of demand is equal to 1. That means this whole stuff should be equal to 1. Now change in quantity demanded is 20, so I can write here 20. Change in price, which we need to find out, into what is our initial price, that is $20,000 upon, and what is our initial quantity, that was 30. Okay, and it all should be equal to 1, which implies uh, if we solve this, will come out to be, so 20 into 2000, it will come out to be 40,000. Okay, so this is 40,000 uh, divided by 3, and we have 1 upon del p, 1 upon p should be equal to 1, which gives us 1 upon del p is equal to, so 40,000 upon 3 will come out to be 13,333. Okay, so let me write it here first. This is 13,333 point, understand, 100,000, 10,000.3. Okay, should be equal to 1. That means 1 upon del p should be equal to, transposing, it will become 1 upon 13,333.3. Okay, now reciprocating both sides, that means del p upon 1, okay, should be equal to, if I reciprocate both sides, so we can do it here. So we have 13,333.3. okay, so that means our price should change by $13,333. Okay, that means our price should decrease by $13,333.3. Okay, so initially our price was 20,000 dollars. That means our new price will be equal to the initial price of $20,000. I'm not sure how many zeros I have made here, minus minus the decrease in price, that is 1. I left over 1 3, so let me write it here. So our new price will be equal to initial price, that was $20,000, 100,000, 10,000, minus the decrease in price, that is 13,333.3 and something, and it will come out to be 66.6. okay, so our new price will be this very thing. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.